Hello everyone, Felipe from Electric Bike Advisor, and today I'm going to review the XDS E-City folding electric bike. I want to give my thanks to Bikes Dever in Fairfield that provided this electric bike for review today. Okay, see how we go with the motor power push and the assistance. Let's wait for this car to go. Let's go to 1 now. So the motor is activated. Push is very gentle. It's not that super powerful yet. Let's go to 2. Yeah, it's a little bit more power. Let's go to 5. Alright, so yeah, I can feel the difference between 1 and 5. Once I got into 5, the 5th pedal assist level, it felt like a breeze. Like I'm reaching quite easily 25 k's and actually feeling the motor cutting at that speed, which is the legal speed required in Victoria, Australia. Go to the roundabout. A little bit of a uphill. It's great. Bit of a vibration that is coming from the fenders, from the mud guards, but it's normal, steel made. I can feel a little bit extra push at the end of my pedaling, which might be something normal in the Bafang motors, but yeah, like 250 watts 36 volts motor, small, has enough power to push this bike. Okay, let's see the folding process for this e-bike. 4 points to consider. So first of all, you want to fold both pedals on each side. After that, you want to
adjust the seat post height by unclipping the secure pin and making sure it sits up to where the plastic footing is. Follow this, you will have to undo the secure pin of the stem and fold it nicely. The last point that you have to do is to undo the secure pin that holds the frame and fold it. That's basically it. Just make sure the bike sits on the plastic footing in the middle of it.
Put it back together again. So lifting, locking, lifting. So secured. You can use the stand, like stand. Lifting here, lifting here.
Okay, the XDS E-City. I think it is an interesting electric folding bike. Its motor is small but powerful. Its battery has a good range. The frame, I found it easy to fold and unfold. The only thing that I found that could be improved is its weight, around 17 kilograms. So yeah, and tag price I think could be a good investment. So yeah, if you think that this could be a good test ride, go to your nearest bike shop or maybe the one that I'm suggesting in my review.